Hey everyone, welcome to this session. Our topic is magnetism. Today let's discuss about the magnetic fields of the magnet, and we will also simply discuss the Earth is magnetic field. So in our past video, we discussed the magnetization and the demagnetization. So I hope it was clear. So let's start with the magnetic fields of a magnet. We'll start with the concept of magnetic fields of a magnet. What is magnetic field? Magnetic field, this is a space surrounding a magnet in which a magnetic force is exerted or experienced. So it's a kind of a space or a surrounding whereby a magnet is placed, showing these magnetic forces. So it consists of magnetic field lines, which are imaginary lines of force around a magnet from the North Pole to the South Pole. So this magnetic field, it has these lines, which they are imaginary lines, and they are the ones that are around a magnet, and they are from the North Pole and to the South Pole. Now let's see the magnetic shielding. Uh, we'll start the concept of magnetic shielding. Magnetic shielding, this is just trying to shield or protect a place from getting the magnetic fields. So it's just a screen made from a high permeability material used to isolate any material from unwanted magnetic fields. So it's just kind of a made up screen that is from high permeability material that is there in order to isolate any material from just unwanted magnetic fields. Take an example, the electron beam in the cathode ray tubes of the TVCs and the very delicate measuring instruments are also shielded or protected from the magnetic influence by placing them in a soft iron cases with the thick walls. So that's shortly about the magnetic shielding. Moving on, let's see the Earth's magnetic field. We'll start with the concept of, or just a phenomenon of this Earth's magnetism. I have to know that Earth is just like a kind of imagine there's a single big magnet with its south seeking pole near the geographical north called the North Magnetic Pole, and the North seeking pole is near the geographical South Pole called the South Magnetic Pole. Now, the Earth just behaves as if at its center there is a short piece of a bar magnet inclined at a small angle to its rotation, that is the spinning axis. So when a bar magnet is hanged horizontally with a string, it is oscillate, it will oscillate for a short time and then it comes to rest with its poles pointing in the north-south directions due to the Earth's magnetic field. Now, for this, it gives a notation that the Earth's north pole is in the southern hemisphere, where any magnet's north pole will always start. Now, the two Earth's magnetic poles are joined by a line that is called a magnetic meridian. So this is the line that joins the two Earth's magnetic poles, the north magnetic pole and the south magnetic pole. The geographic meridian joins the true north and also the true south. Now let's see this direction of Earth's magnetic field. Talking about the direction of Earth's magnetic field, we'll be simply discussing about the compass needle. So what's this a compass needle? It's just a thin magnetic balanced equipment on a pointer, usually at the center of gravity used to identify the north-south direction. So it's just a thin magnetic balanced on a thin point or just a point usually at the center of gravity that is used to just to identify and know this north and the south direction. Now spinning a compass needle, it will eventually come to rest with its poles joining or just pointing to the north and south direction. Now this gives the direction at any point on the Earth's surface. So maybe when you're lost somewhere, you don't know the directions, simply by having a compass will help you to know the directions simply where is the north and the south. So basically, guys, thank you for listening. We'll briefly discuss this magnetic field. I hope it's clear. Thank you and see you in the next video.